On canvas bare the story starts, a patch of gold where light imparts the whispers of a distant flame, a soul alight, unnamed, untamed. I lay the gilded leaf so thin, a fragile shield for what's within. It clings, it tears, it softly clings, a dreamer's breath on angel wings. The purples bleed, the reds take flight, turquoise rivers break through the night. A vivid dance of greens and golds, a painter's spell the scene unfolds. The canvas hums beneath my hand, as colours speak, as oceans stand. The straw hat grows, its brim takes shape, a haloed shade for wisdom's cape. Cello carved from twilight's bark, you sing of days both bright and stark. Your voice is low, your notes are deep, a memory of songs cannot sleep. The elder's fingers, gnarled and worn, draw forth the echoes of hearts forlorn. Each note a thread, a woven bind, a bridge between the years behind. I carve his face with strokes so fleet, his beard a river of silver sleet, his eyes twin lanterns in the storm, glow faintly now, but soon will warm. The cello hums a second tune, a hymn beneath the golden moon. The blade in hand, the strokes grow wild. The artist speaks, the muse beguiled. The yellows flame like morning's rise, the greens like leaves in rain-drenched skies, the turquoise whispers of the sea, its endless song, its mystery. I see him now as clear as day, his spirit born in the painter's ballet. The hat, the face, the beard, the bow, the cello sings of long ago. He looks beyond where shadows dance, a realm beyond our fleeting glance. His notes uncoil, the past comes near, and time dissolves with every tear. The colours leap, they swirl, they shine, a fleeting world no longer mine. For in the gold and purple hue, the elder plays and life breaks through. The final stroke, the blade retreats. The The canvas breathes, the spell completes. He lives, he moves within the frame, yet speaks of truth we dare not name. His gaze is long, his song is deep. He guards the dreams we dare to keep. As I stand, my work now done, the cello's voice, the elder's son. I hear his voice, the elder's son. I hear his song, though faint it stays, a golden echo through endless days. Beneath the sun of fading land, where time moves slow as sifted sand, an elder sits in wisdom steeped, a cello cradled, secrets kept. His straw hat bowed, his woven crown, the weight of years pulls his gaze down. Yet through his eyes horizons gleam, a world of songs and distant dreams.